Once your trailer and tow vehicle are coupled, you'll want to put the spring bars of your weight distribution system onto the cams or friction platforms. The safest way to do this is to ease the load on the spring bar using the trailer jack. Start by lowering the trailer's jack to help raise the front of the trailer and the back of your tow vehicle. Keep raising the coupled trailer and tow vehicle until you can safely position and secure the spring bar onto the cams or friction platforms with little or minimal effort. Then, lower the trailer by raising the jack so that the trailer weight is now on the spring bars and can be secured. That's all. You're now ready to tow your trailer. When you're done towing, removing the spring bars can be safe and easy too. Lower the jack to raise the coupled trailer, removing pressure on the spring bars. Once you can safely move the spring bars with minimal effort, carefully swing the bars off the cams or platforms and remove them. Lower the trailer back down, uncouple the truck and trailer, and you're done. For more information about REESE weight distribution systems with integrated sway control, visit reeseproducts.com.